these little mixed-use buildings like this in the post-COVID world, y'all, you ain't gonna make no money renting out those storefronts, right? That is becoming functionally obsolete. What happened? Okay? COVID happened, y'all. Nothing you guys need to worry about. We're taking care of everything by the time we get it sold to you, right? So you're going to be able to get a completely 100% fully turnkey occupied apartment building used the best possible way, right? Because trying to maintain these little mixed-use buildings, guys, it's just not sustainable, right? You have to convert that stuff to apartments. Welcome to the Investment Properties for Sale show, folks. Things selling at or above list. We are going to provide you guys with complete transparency and education. We take you to the video tour, HoltonWise TV, giving it to you straight. Commercial real estate will never be the same, y'all. It's a different game, okay? You have to adapt your strategy to a post-COVID world, which is what we are doing with this project for you right here. 4995 Turney Road, Garfield Heights, Ohio, okay? This is a mixed-use apartment building that I bought, I don't know, maybe like 10 years ago, something like that, okay? And it is now time to pivot, to do something different. And this is something that a lot of you are finding out that you're going to need to do as well, all right? Now, what I have is I have 3 residential units with 2 storefronts temporarily, okay? That has worked, that has made money, that has cash flowed in the past. No more. That is no longer going to be something that is sustainable, right? These little mixed-use buildings like this, in the post-COVID world, y'all, you ain't gonna make no money renting out those storefronts, right? That is becoming functionally obsolete. What happened? Okay? COVID happened, y'all. And then they sent us all home. All the corporations sent us home. And what did people realize? Hey, man, I can be just as efficient from home as I can be from the office. Small business owners realize the same. We're all using the internet. Instead of face-to-face sit-down meetings, we're just doing Zoom meetings, right? People are selling their product on Instagram and YouTube and TikTok, right? These little storefronts, you don't need them anymore, right? Which is why my team is going to take those 2 storefronts and we are going to turn them into 4-bed, 1-bath apartments, and we are going to rent those bad boys for $1,400 a pop. So when this is ready to close, ready to be sold to you, what you're going to get is a fully turnkey, completely 100% occupied 5-unit apartment building with about $5,800 in rent. I'm projecting just shy of $6,000 a month once we get those storefronts completely converted to apartment buildings ready for you, right? It's going to be 100% turnkey. Nothing you guys need to worry about. We're taking care of everything by the time we get it sold to you, right? So you're going to be able to get a completely 100% fully turnkey occupied apartment building used the best possible way, right? Because trying to maintain these little mixed-use buildings, guys, it's just not sustainable, right? You have to convert that stuff to apartments, but don't worry, we don't want to have to like put you through the ringer and have you have to like work through all that difficult stuff. We're going to take care of all that prior to closing, get it all done for you. Any project overruns, this or that, we're going to be able to take care of it because, you know, we're versed in this kind of stuff. We deal with municipalities, cities like this all the time, right? There's a lot of back and forth with the city. There's a lot of red tape when you're doing a conversion project, but we will handle all of that so you get a nice turnkey wrapped in a bow apartment building in a nice suburb in the Cleveland area. Best part too, right? It's not actually in the city of Cleveland. It's a suburb, so you don't have to deal with some of those pesky new laws that they're putting out there in Cleveland that are really targeting out-of-state investors, right? That local agent in charge law, the lead law. We don't have to worry about those because we're in Garfield Heights, a much more landlord-friendly city, right? If that makes sense to you, if that's something you're interested in, you can go ahead and submit your offers to me. Sales@HoltonWise.com. Me or my team we'll reply. Maybe we'll have some follow-up questions for you. I want to see how much you want to offer, and I want to see proof of funds or a pre-approval letter for that offer. If you do not have a lender, but you're interested in buying this building for me, that is fine. I will hook you up with my lenders who are more than happy to make a loan to investors on a building like this. So just reach out. We'll give you that, and then you could go ahead and submit your offer to us after we've set you up with a lender, right? $599, $99, $99, $99, $99. Just a, you know what? You go ahead and just offer me $6. You go ahead and offer me $6. What's a dollar amongst friends? Let's go.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.